friends, today we are going to see some lovely western frocks. We have western frocks in short and long. Sizes available M, L, XL, 2XL, 3XL, 4XL and 5XL. M to 5XL available. We have casual and party wear western frocks. In this video we are going to see western frocks of size M and L. All the frocks come with sleeves. Sleeves are given underneath and we can get it stitched. So let me show you some patterns. Prices of 3/4 frocks start from rupees 495 and full frock start from rupees 695 only. So let me show you the pattern. See friends, the frock you are showing is rupees 695. It's a nice soft material, stretchable lycra fabric friends. It has a lining also inside. You can see the lining. Only rupees 695. Let's see the next one. Wow, let's see some lovely frocks. The frock you are seeing now is a nice party wear frock. A good evening, it's your friend's birthday or your friend's wedding. You want to wear a nice frock which will not be too grand also. Something elegant, sober. It has this lovely design. The price of this only rupees 1250, 1250. Let's see the next one. Are you looking for a nice floral print frock? Are you going for a beach side? Then we have the best frock for you. A lovely nice frock. A lovely material, imported fabric. Size available M and L. This frock comes in 4 colors. Let's see the next one. Rupees 1195, 1195. Wow, look at the next dazzling frock. This is a self dazzle, not too jazzy. This dazzling is within the frock. It will never come out. Size available in this is from L to 3XL. The price of this lovely frock is rupees 2225. Only rupees 2225 for this lovely frock. Let's see the next one. We have one more dazzling frock. Currently dazzling frocks are in trend friends. Size available M, L. The price of this frock only rupees 222. The next frock we are going to see is a double shine imported material friends. This is a 3D print. Yes, see, you can see the color is actually, it's a maroon color, but at every angle the color changes. See, it's actually a maroon color. So when you wear this frock, it will look a different color always. This is called a 3D print. See this 3D print comes in 4 colors. Price of this only rupees 1525. Comes with sleeves. Size available M and L. Evening gown, simple sober evening gown. Comes in 4 colors. It's a nice long gown. Price only rupees 2095 friends. We can also home deliver the gowns to you. Let's see the next one. We can also home deliver the gowns to you. Just take out a screenshot and send us, or you can also call us and we can send you collections, show you collections in video call, and you can definitely select it and get it home delivered. Within 48 hours delivery. Let's see the next very pretty beach frock friends. This is a nice beach frock. Comes in 4 colors. Size available M and L. The price only rupees 1195. L, XL, XXL, 3 size available. Oh, look at this lovely designer piece in western frock. It's a complete designer piece. It has this layer over it to give you a very trendy look. Comes in 4 colors. Size available L. The price only rupees 2175. Lovely cotton casual frock. It's a nice stretch material. Comes in single color. Price only rupees. In 4 colors friends. The price only rupees 1525. This is a single color party wear frock. It's a very beautiful frock friends. Elegant western type of gown. Hollywood style. It comes with sleeves. See, the material is nice stretch material. It's a dark navy blue. The price only rupees 'Wow, this is a very pretty one. Comes in 4 colors, friends. 1525. Price only rupees 1525. Wow, this is a nice, lovely beachwear floral print frock, friends. Size available M and L. Comes in 4 colors. What's the price? Only rupees 1195. See some lovely 3/4 frocks, casual 3/4 frocks for daily wear, party wear. Price range rupees 495 onwards. The one what you are seeing is rupees 495. There are plenty of prints and plain colors available in the casual range. 495. Home delivery also available. Size M and L available. 695. 775. Jeans fabric 775. 895. 1350. This comes with a denim jacket. Comes in 4 colors. You can always remove it and also use the jacket casually also. 850. 1525. Lovely party wear, colorful rainbow color. 1525. These are the various different prints available in 3/4 frocks. The collection what you are seeing, everything is printed frocks. 495, 595, 695. Let's see this one. Can you please show us this? What's the price? Only rupees 695 for this lovely casual frock. It's a cotton rayon fabric. Plenty of, these are the full frocks what we have. We have plenty of options in size L, XL, XXL, 3XL, 4XL. Plenty of options available, friends, in full frocks. Do visit us. We are very located in the heart of city at Purusai Vakam. Thank you.